Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're signed in and ready. Now go straight to the team's icon on the left rail. Once there, pick the team you need and expand it with the chevron. This reveals standard and private channels. If a channel still doesn't appear, use the search box at top and type the channel name. Teams searches channels, chats, and files. Make sure you're in the right tenant and account. Once done, note which channels are standard versus private so you know access requirements going forward. You now dig deeper. Use the command box and type the channel name or /go to jump directly. Once done, apply filters like unread or mentions to collapse noise and surface active channels quickly. Make sure to scan for the padlock icon. Private channels won't list members and require explicit access. If you still can't find what you expect, switch to the team's view settings and enable hidden channels. Sometimes channels are collapsed or nested under more teams, so finish by pinning or following channels you use frequently so they remain at the top of your list. If a channel is private, request access from the owner or team admin. You'll need permission to see it. Make sure to refresh the app or sign into the web version if things act up. Caching can hide updates. If problems persist, confirm you're in the correct tenant and that your role grants channel visibility. Contacting your IT admin resolves most permission issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.